Protecting the contents of your truck bed is important, and the Pace Edwards UltraGoove bed cover will do just that. This low-profile retractable cover is a great option for your truck. Being low profile, it doesn't stick out over the truck bed sides, so you can keep that sleek look. The cover itself is made from individual aluminum slats. Unlike a vinyl cover, the aluminum slats can't be cut through, so this will keep unwanted people out of your bed. This cover is a great look for any truck build. The slats, along with the rails, have a matte black finish for a rugged look. The cover is easy to operate as well. With a push, the cover quickly opens and retracts back into the canister. And when you're ready to close the cover again, simply pull on the provided strap until it closes. An excellent feature of this cover is the addition of intermittent locking. What that means is that the cover will automatically lock in place every 12 inches. This gives you the flexibility of covering part of your bed while hauling taller objects as well. The rails have a few unique features. They have integrated T-slot channels to add racks and other accessories for work or overlanding. They also act as gutters to drain water away from the truck bed. Not only do they have drain tubes at the front of the bed, but they include 2 drain tubes at the back of the bed as well. If you're interested in purchasing the Pace Edwards UltraGoove bed cover or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.